This is what you call Uncle Shembot in Philippines.
Shembot.
Salamat Spring.
Boy, ikaw magdala yun. Para kay Uncle yan. Ikaw magdala. Papatingin natin si Uncle lang pang Pinoy style na inuman.
Yan.
Ha? Sige, dala mo.
Lasing natin si Uncle.
Lasing natin si Uncle. Uncle! Here's our gift for you. Boy, pakita mo yung Shembot. Pakita mo yung Shembot.
Even though the bartender can't speak
Yes.
English.
Yes, Uncle.
Patay.
Wow.
I will try my best for you.
Yan.
Sabi ko sa iyo.
Boy, pakitaan mo yung Shembot. Yung Shembot.
Try this.
Try this.
Yes! This is the Filipino drink.
I'll try anything you pour in this cup.
No, wait.
Uncle,
I will mix.
Okay.
pakitaan mo, par. Pakitaan mo, par. Yung timplang Bulacan.
Thoroughly.
Oh, wow. Yeah, Uncle.
Okay.
See that again.
Uncle, look. This is what you call Uncle Shembot in Philippines.
Shembot.
Oh! Go.
One more. Okay. Let's go.
Wow! Wow! Galing mo daw.
Galing ko na bon.
You like it?
The reason why he's doing that because he wants to release the soul of the liquor.
Yes, Uncle.
Ano daw? Uncle, look.
Look, Uncle.
Wow! That is Philippine Shembot. Ano, papatingin mo po. This is the Filipino version of drinking alcohol.
It's like a cocktail.
Uncle, I hope you like it.
Wow! Wow!
Yes.
Deeper than the already.
Wow!
like-
Wow! How's the taste, Uncle?
How does it taste?
Good.
Now, come here.
Oh no.
Come here.
Boy, yelo lang yan!
Try that.
Shit, ba't kasi?
Try it. Try it. Try it. Okay.
Oh! You can do it!
Wow.
Bottoms up. Bottoms up. Kevin.
Kevin.
Watch.
Uncle, it's like I'm drinking gasoline. I have something more for you, Uncle. This is our brand that we promote. This is the Primera Light. Uncle, but when you try it after you drink, you will say, Salamat Spree.
Yeah.
Say what?
Salamat Spree.
Salamat Spring.
Yes! Taste the Primera Light, Uncle. And your life will become changed.
It's much nicer. That's it. Okay.
Ricardo.
Salamat Spring.
Salamat Spree! Primera Light! Uncle, how's the taste?
Tastes good.
Yes! Because of that, Primera Life will sponsor us 20 bucks of Primera Life! Sige na, pengi kami.
Uy, lagot ko na. Pinatulog mo si Uncle Lazy.
Ito,
Bigla kasi ng timple.
Bakit? Di ba pinapigyan mo pa yung primera?
Ano, nakatulog si Uncle Lazy po.
Sarap daw, boy. Sarap daw, boy.
Ayun o, pinatulog mo si Uncle Lazy.
Malakas ang gin. Hindi nila kaya.
Iba ang Pinas. Pinas.
Iba ang Pinas.
Natulog mo ang kanting